Hello everyone, welcome to another video here on Motorcycling Endeavors. On my way home here, I decided to pull out my GoPro and shoot a quick video in regards to America's love affair with auto loans. On the way into work this week, one of the days, I heard an advertisement on the radio where a dealer was offering 0% financing for 84 months. I also read an article on CNBC.com about a couple months ago that the average vehicle payment is now $554 a month. USA Today also wrote an article a couple months before that where the average term is 69 months. People, I am going to offend you right now. If you have taken out one of those loans, or are you thinking about it, my question to you is, are you out of your goddamn minds? Vehicles are not assets. Vehicles are not depreciating assets. Vehicles are, quite simply, financial liabilities. Sure, if you purchased a vehicle for work and it's making you money, that could be an asset. And by making you money, I mean that if your vehicle payment is $500 a month and your vehicle is $600 and your income from with that vehicle is $600 a month, sure, you could say it's an asset because it's making you money. Or if you happen to have a classic car, yes, but you wouldn't finance a classic car. You better be rich enough to buy it outright. So all the vehicles that you see on the roads today and on the dealer lots are nothing but financial liabilities. And taking out a 5, 6, 7-year car loan to pay for these vehicles is just plain flippin' stupid. It's stupid, okay? There is nothing else that you will purchase that will depreciate 70% in 4 years. So that means if you took out a 6, 7-year loan, that's 72 and 84 months loan, your vehicle will only be worth 30% at the end of 4 years. So chances are you will still be driving an upside down vehicle after the first 4 years, and you'll have 2 or 3 years left to pay for it. I understand vehicles today are beautiful. Ford did a great job with the Explorer. The new RAV4 is awesome. And who doesn't want a Ford Shelby GT? But you should not mortgage any of your financial future for these vehicles. You don't need to buy the premium editions. You don't need to buy the titaniums, the platinums, the King Ranches. You don't need to buy them. If you have the money to pay for them outright, go ahead, do that. You have the money. And have the money means that you could go in and write a check. But if you have to finance a vehicle, then you should only be financing a vehicle that is significantly lower than the platinums and the titaniums and the, super duper premium editions. Okay? That's just harsh reality. I'm not all against auto loans. I am all against auto loans that are 5, 6, 7 years in length and are like $554. $554 is average. That means vast majority, that means half, is paying over that. People, come on. You are the same people that are complaining, oh, I can't get ahead. It's tough to save for my kids' college expenses. I wish I could come up with money for a down payment, or I can't afford $400 in an emergency. You know why? Because you're freaking driving it. You know what I want them to do? When they did that statistic thing where they talked about people who couldn't come up with $400 for an emergency, The one thing that I wanted them to find out is how many of them have a freaking vehicle payment that is over $400 a month. Okay? People, you have to be smart about your vehicles. Okay? If you cannot pay it off in 3 or 4 years, 48 months max, you should not be buying that vehicle. You need to scale down. You don't have to buy the platinum editions. You don't have to buy the titaniums, the super duper, platinum plus editions. Scale down. It's okay. Let me give you a little a tidbit. Nobody is impressed with the vehicle you drive. You know why? Because everybody can get one. Banks have made it so easy for people to get auto loans and put themselves into debt that your super duper platinum plus SUV that you thought that you go, oh, I'm good on now. I'm going to go press my friends Joni and Billy Bob and all these, and they can turn around and get the same super duper platinum plus premium edition SUV because a bank will give them a loan. Okay? You're not impressing anybody. Impress people with your with having a large bank account. Impress people that you're close to paying for your kids' educations. Impress people that you just came up with a down payment for your home. People, vehicles are not assets. I think I've said this before. They're depreciating. They're liabilities. All they do is suck money out of your wallet. I'm okay if you want to buy a platinum edition, as I said, and you can pay for it outright, go ahead, do it. You've earned that right. You've made the money. But if you need to finance it for that period of time, it's not the vehicle you need to be purchasing. You need to put your ego away and, whatever is going through your mind on why you need a titanium SUV. It's just, you have to let it go. You absolutely, positively have to let it go, people. Okay? I love you guys. I love you guys. But you gotta stop paying for these vehicles. Okay? You're helping to drive the prices of the vehicles up, because as long as you're paying for them, the higher they're going to go. And because in America we love trucks and SUVs, those profit margins are huge. So, this is a rant, I know. I'm a little angered and frustrating because I do speak from experience. I have done my share of stupid when it comes to vehicles. I never had a $554 a month payment. They've all been under $400. But I've had many, many years of consecutive car payments at my own stupid expense. So people, if you're considering doing one of these loans, take a step back. Ask yourself, do you really need it? Scale down. And let me tell you something. You don't need a Platinum Plus Premium Edition SUV. No, you just need a fully functioning vehicle. All right? There's nothing wrong with going down to the base or the next level up. You can't justify the extra expense for that. You just can't. So, the bottom line is, peeps, really think about your next vehicle purchase. Plan your purchase. If you want a super duper Platinum Plus, please, by all means, save up for it. Take an extra year, put more money aside. Okay? Don't take these loans out. No more 5, 6, 7-year car loans. 36, 48 max. Okay? Keep your money. Build your wealth. Okay? Invest in stock. Save for your kids' education. That vehicle that you have now, you're going to want another one 3 or 4 years later anyway. So, that's the video for today. Please, if I offended you, well, it was meant to be, because sometimes you need tough love. But anyway, enjoy your weekend. If you're thinking about getting one of those ridiculous, stupid loans, think again. Watch this video and ask yourself, okay, what am I sacrificing to get this vehicle and to commit to a ridiculous payment for that long? Anyway, rant over. I'm signing off. Have a good night.